Hello guys, how are you today? So our topic today is related Cat 6 cable or internet cable, either Cat 5, Cat 7, as long as that there is an internet cable. So if you are the quality or you're doing the testing or doing the inspections, so you need to verify based on the drawing, IFC drawing, and the approved data sheets. And of course, during the installations, you need to check the checklist and you do the testing as well. So how to do that? So of course, before we proceed, I will show you. This is the example of our cable, Cat 6 cable and internet cables. See, you can see that one. This is the example. Okay. So since do you know already that kinds of internet cable, Cat 6, Cat 5, okay, Cat 7. So in order to check for your cable, for your Cat 6 cable, so first check the cables correctly tagged. So based on that, there is a tag required during your inspection. So check installed if they are not stretched. Okay, so check the bending of the cables. So it's very crucial. Don't pitch at and also bend of the cables, and check that spare of the length of the cable. All right, check cable installation. It's confirms of the drawings, so you need to verify based on our IFC drawing. This will be correct. Okay, and confirm the cable connected to the equipment based on our cable schedule. All right, so this is all about. Again, and then check the minimum bending radius of your cables, so it can be it will be reached, it will be not be damaged. And check all the sockets are correctly tagged. Check all the mechanical damage. Okay, so any issue, any problems, any discrepancies, you need to provide punch list. So write it down, the punch list. And then next, to do the testing, so you need to test all the attenuations and any land test to be provided. So some of that information based on that testing is not required. So if Cat 6 is required, just attach the land tester. So you need to do the land test of your Cat 6 cable or internet cables. So right. So now this is the example of our informations during the testing. So the testing result is getting passed. All of the details and information will be there, and then submit. It will be included to our dosers, and everything must be signed, RFI, ITR, and during the mechanical completion or RFC walkdowns, everything must be clear. So categorizations of your punch list, category A, if there is, should be closed prior to do the RFC walk down. So right, so everything it's clear. Any query about these informations, just give me a feedback and comment as well. All right, see you and have a nice day. Bye bye.